We will check what's the view on the other side, and maybe it's surprising or it's amazing view. Also, we have a young couple here. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. We'll check. Up, 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 up. I don't know kaya. What's on the outside? Kaya na. Oh. It's a big view. See the football field. Oh. Back, back, back. Watch your step. Oh, it's only
May pulis po.
there's a cop.
May huhulihin.
There's a police. Ano put ano pa yan? Gold There's
golf course.
what do you call it? Range.
Training. Golf.
Ha?
Ano, parang pang ano lang yun.
Golf range, no?
Oh, golf range.
Golf range. But we don't know the spelling of range. Very nice place. Okay, after this we will go inside and we check what's inside the museum. My hand is freezing cold.
Yari ka na naman, Jeffoy. English speaking na.
Yeah, freezing cold here. But Jeff is not having a hard time on the weather because his body is now adapt. When we're in the mountain, he adapt his body. He already meditate the temperature. So we're going down. See what's the view on the what you call this, a big big terrace. We'll check. Okay, we'll check out what's inside. Hope it's not. We need to pay because we have only $1 here. We have $10,000, but we don't have one. That's why we are afraid. I think it's free. Okay, we'll go inside. I'll go inside. Oh, I'll go inside. Oh, now we are inside the hall, the lobby. Oh, it's like a hotel. Sogo. There's a small stage. Maybe some music. Some band will perform there.
Bayad yata eh.
Huh?
May English eh. Yun. Ano, nakikita.
Huh? Excuse me, can we go inside? It's free?
It's free.
Ah, okay. He said it's free.
Free.
Yes, we're not. So we don't need to pay. Oh, this is the map. This is the map. We have a free entrance, but this booklet is no need.
Pero no.
Ah, okay. Okay. I said the video is not allowed, so we need to cut this one.